Hello everyone. Today we'll be solving the CPT June 2018 question paper. We'll be solving questions from the quantitative section. We'll be starting off with question number 90, which is a probability based question. Now in this question, it has been said that we need to find out the probability of having at least 1/6 from 3 throws of a perfect die. Option A 5 by 6, option B 5 by 6 whole cube, option C 1 minus 1 by 6 whole cube, and option D 1 minus 5 by 6 cube. So these are the 4 options. So now the cases are case 1, then we have case 2, and then we have case 3. So this is the case 1 is basically only one die has A6. This is one case. Second case is that only 2 die have A6, and case 3 is that all 3 dies have A6. So the probability of only one die having a 6 is that so one die can have a 6 in 1 by 6 phase, and the other dies will have basically probability of 5 by 6 and 5 by 6. So now this is considering the case in that in the first die we have a 6 and the other dies we have no 6. But it can also happen that the first die will not have any 6, but the second die will have 6. In that case, it will be 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 5 by 6. And if the third die only has a 6, that means that we have 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 1 by 6. So as you can see over here, there are 3 possible cases for this, since there are 3 dies. So we have 3 into this condition. Now if 2 dies have a 6, so basically one die will have a 6, second die will also have a 6, but the third die will not have a 6. Now this can happen in 3 ways. The first 2 dies can have a 6, the second die and the third die can have a 6, or the first die and the third die can have a 6. So we have again 3 cases for this. And the third case is that all of the dies have a 6. So basically 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So therefore required probability of having at least 1/6 from 3 throws is basically we have 3 into 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So this is the structure. So upon solving it, we finally get 3 into 25 plus 3 into 5 plus 1 by 6 cube, and this is ultimately equal to 91 by 6 cube, and 6 cube is basically 36 into 6, we have 216. So this we can write it down as basically if we break it down, then this will be 1 minus 125 by 216. So this will be basically 1 minus 5 by 6 whole cube, which is nothing but the option D. So option D over here is the correct option. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, thank you for watching this video.